Hey, the gringo tape is no bueno, huh? No? They're retaping it because apparently we didn't do a good job. Today's a hectic day. We're gonna give you a day in the life of having a bunch of subs here, working with a bunch of stuff. I just left dropping off the papers for the refinance at escrow, went to the bank, wired the amount of money that we needed to close escrow. We'll talk about that more in another video. I'm gonna jump inside where we're doing stucco, drywall. We got the pool guy coming to pressure it. A lot of stuff going on today, man. Everything's hectic, but we're gonna show you how bad it is when everything's going on at once. I don't know what the they did here, and I don't know how I'm gonna make this work. I'd prefer to have a smooth transition.
Yeah, I think it might go a little higher.
And then you're gonna make sure that we don't, I mean, probably straight edge everything, but if there's any highs and lows, you're gonna take care of that, right?
Yeah.
I mean,
I'll let you know what that is, and then also, did you leave one wall up, or is this new construction?
one wall up.
Okay, so you went in the same direction, whatever was there.
The one wall that we left, we
Yeah.
didn't leave any foundation on any joists or anything. We just made new ones.
Yeah, okay, cool.
So,
Yeah, there's no problem.
Or
But
just
the biggest thing is right here. So how can we get the flush to the black part, not the straight part?
Worst case scenario, if I'm off that much by level, I could stop the line right here. From here,
So how many square feet you got?
I will break it down. I sent you all the measurements right now. When I get to my office, I'll break
Okay,
it
so you
down.
can send me measurements,
Yeah.
install. What about anything that needs to be grinded down, leveled, or whatever? If we need to put leveling concrete or whatever, that's all included in your price?
No, so everything is pretty much by square foot. So I'll give you, my floor install by square foot is this much, and then I'll tell you, if I need any bag to make something level, it's $50 a bag as we need. So we'll bring like 10-foot leveler in this.
Yeah.
We'll put it on the floor. If everything's good, everything's good. If something that needs to be fixed, we'll let you know.
How many bags can possibly be needed here?
Worst case scenario is hard to tell, but let's say 10 bags.
Okay.
Worst case scenario right now.
You're gluing, right?
Gluing it down.
Okay,
Right.
so I'm not gonna have any squeaks or anything.
Well, whatever squeaks you have right now, they're gonna be there.
We screwed down the floor, so
Right.
there's not really any squeaks.
Yeah, we nailed, we screwed.
Yeah, so the best thing you can do on the raised foundation, which we have right here, is glue down the wood floors and not muffle all the excess noise. Yeah, so the only thing that will squeak is the actual subfloor. Right, so if this is not squeaking, your floors won't be squeaking either. You're not nailing down the floor and we're gluing it down.
If let's say we have a problem area and I need to screw the plywood down, can we rip out and put in plywood? Or is that problematic?
You could definitely do that. But more than likely, you could just grind down and screw without having to rip out all that. You know what I mean?
And then you just patch it or
Right.
something?
Yeah, just grind it down a little bit, not too much, and then that way, I'm sure you use 5/8 plywood. See, I do my floors first on my projects, and then I do the cabinets on top, so I don't put no quarter round or anything like that underneath the cabinets. It looks cleaner. That being said, you could prime all the drywall, put down the floors, cover the floors, and then you could resume with the rest.
How long would it take you to do this job?
About 7 days,
Okay. It seems like a while.
5 days.
3, 2, 1.
I think like 5 days I can make it happen.
Yeah.
And whenever we select the flooring, I'll give you a piece of the floor so you can bring it over here and you can tell your tile guy, hey, this is my floor. Make sure you match it so there's no.
I want it to be under $4 a square foot. That's for the tile, for the actual hardwood. That's where I want it to be at.
I got a gray color for that price.
I need a white oak looking color.
Yeah.
You have something?
And this one's $369.
You just got that in? So that wasn't there when we went
This
there?
is closeout.
Well, that's almost exactly what we need too.
Yeah, just text me if you're coming by and then, come by
Okay.
and check it out. Let me know.
Okay.
Yep, that's it.
Sounds good.
All right.
Thank you, brother.
Nice meeting you. Nice meeting
Pleasure,
you.
man. Thank you.
Cameraman too. It's okay. There you go. All right.
Bye. Maybe in 3 weeks.
Oh no, when it Because this video is going to be when he comes back for the the brown coat and the
So 3-4 weeks.
Oh, okay.
After it's done, maybe 1 week after that, we put the video and we send it to you.
Les va a mandar por teléfono el link para que lo vean.
Oh, okay.
Como a 4 semanas. Cuando acaben a la semana.
Okay.
Para que estén todos en un video.
Tell them over there that to make sure it'll be flush with the door sides.
Pues estoy.
Yeah, where they're spraying now.
Yeah. Ahí donde están sprayando ahorita, está el metal de la puerta que cierra, que si lo pueden hacer like
Oh,
perfecto.
no, con el brown va a acabar.
Oh, with the brown, he said.
Yeah.
With the brown.
Brown or color.
Or color.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are we recording?
Let's record.
Okay. Go.
So we already talked to you guys in a previous video about the lap coat of the stucco, which was the black paper and the metal mesh. We'll put a link to that video down in the description below. Today we're doing what's called the scratch coat of the stucco. There's a lot of noise right now. Let's see what's going on.
So I guess we crashed the drone into a tree while trying to get some footage of the stucco, guys. So now we're gonna be climbing a tree. It's very high, at least 30 feet. God damn it, Robert. I guess we're climbing the tree from the side. Adi esko mis barne. Or Robert, hold it from this side so it doesn't kick out. No, your workers' comp doesn't cover this. Just right here. Eddie, you could let it go in, just like don't let it collapse. Can't believe I'm doing this right now. Okay, I'm here.
It's at the almost the tip on the left side, your left side. Ooh, watch out.
It's fine.
You still grip?
I'm good. Yes, Lavem. I understand. I'm fine. The problem is I don't see the drone.
It's on your left side.
You'll have to go another 10 feet up.
Legit?
Yeah.
Okay, Robert,
Yeah.
can you go to our yard and see how far I am from it?
Okay, can I let go of this?
Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm standing on the tree.
Okay.
Like I have 1 foot on the ladder, but I'm fine. I don't even see the drone and I don't want to just kick the drone out. It's gonna fall and break. There's no point in getting it out at that point. If I just poke it out, it's gonna fall and die.
If you can poke it out into those bushes we left that you hate, those will catch it.
Another 10 feet? Robert,
Alright.
why did you do this? But I don't know where it is. I can't grab it from here with the pool stick, can I?
I think if I went up there, I could do it. Sam's, you know, just being a little too chicken to keep going. Watch out, there's a branch under you. Yeah, you gave the tree a nice little trim.
I can think of right now is maybe connect these poles and go back on our roof. Do you want me to get on the roof behind you or do you want me to? Yeah, let me get
Probably
on
the roof behind me.
Huh?
Probably get on the roof behind me. Or right under it. You just gotta catch it now.
So we shot a little bit of the stucco part 2 video because they're doing the stucco right now. And Eddie, thanks for joining us finally. Eddie was helping Robert set up the GoPro stuff so we can do a couple of time lapses there and avoiding shooting today's video, the main video that we're trying to shoot, which is not this video, another video that you're gonna see in about a week or two about the drywall. Very confusing day.
thought we're shooting stucco video today.
We did shoot stucco and drywall.
But I thought stucco was gonna be a separate video.
It is gonna be. Today's 3 videos being recorded.
3 videos.
Stucco, drywall, and a video about recording and the day in the life. Very confusing. Stop confusing them more. Just subscribe. That's all you need to do. Don't worry about the rest. All right. Well, let's get the lights set up. So we were recording the drywall video, but the stucco guys got too loud. So now we're gonna stop that for a second, jump outside to see what the stucco guys are doing, and possibly record part of the stucco video. So on these hectic days where there's a million things, this is kind of how it goes. There's no actual plan. You just kind of go with the flow and you try to get everything done that you need to and make sure you're on top of the most important things, and that's uploading a video once every week. This beautiful brown coat. They left this spot open. They're gonna hand do it because they need to put a little metal channel that they forgot to put here. So we have a problem. The problem is that Eddie doesn't pay attention.
I don't think this was broken last time.
This was broken last time. I went and spoke to the neighbor. I let them know we broke it and that we'll fix it. And he said, don't worry. And he just called us, they broke the wall. That's how Eddie talks, by the way.
It's not how I talk. The bricks are laying in the neighbor's yard, so we should probably pick those up.
They've been there.
Saying they've been laying there for weeks. I think that's a little...
Not weeks, a week since they did the scratch code. But a day in the life.
Okay.
Yeah, see, Eddie runs away from his problems. I solved it. All right, we're gonna jump inside and finish recording the video. I have a problem, France.
He approved the wire, so they should have it by today.
By today, like now, or by end of day?
Well, we can't control exactly what time, but they should have it by today.
Okay.
Yeah, we can't. I can't tell you like they'll be there at 1 or 2 or 3, just because we do approve it. So as we send the funds out, the funds are already taken out of your account, and we approve the wire.
Okay.
Now it's just your bank over there.
So I shouldn't come and yell at you guys.
No.
No. Okay.
No.
Okay. I'll call my escrow officer and see what they're doing.
All right, Sam.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Bye.
Bye. So we basically discovered that banks have problems. I hate Wells Fargo, by the way. They do all my banking. I have a private banker there who's amazing, but I hate that bank. Private banker just means that you convince them that you have a lot of money even if you don't, so they give you a private banker. Eddie always likes to find problems. I like to find solutions by yelling at Eddie to fix things. So in today's video, it was a little bit different. We kind of walked you guys through a day in the life of me yelling at Eddie and blaming Eddie for everything, no matter what it is.
Blaming everybody for everything. Don't take blame for anything.
That's what you need to do on a job site to move things along. Today was a bit of a hectic day. Pool guys didn't show up. Stucco guys ran out of sand. Drywall guys did not send as many guys as they were supposed to. But it is what it is. We're dealing with a lot of things. This is not every single day. But you honestly hope that every single day is a little bit hectic like this, because it means your project is moving along faster. If you guys enjoyed today's behind the scenes, let us know in the comments. Maybe we can throw up some more videos like this. We're also posting a lot of this stuff on our Instagram. So if you guys like shorter term content like that, go ahead and follow us on Instagram. Drop a comment, like button, thumbs up, subscribe, all that fun stuff. We'll see you guys next week with a structured video talking about either drywall or stucco, depending on where we are in the project.